Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to Grow Started English, where we don't just learn English. We own it like Los Santos bosses. Today, we're dropping some killer everyday phrases that'll make your English sound smooth, confident, and straight up native. I'll hit you with short convos, breakdowns, and some solid examples, all packed with that Grow Straight and CJ flavor. And if you want the PDF with every phrase plus bonus examples, it's chilling in our Telegram channel. Links below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's ride. Alright, Grow Street fam. Let's kick things off with our first phrase, cut to the chase. That's one of those phrases you'll hear a lot in real time. Let's see how it sounds in a quick dialogue. CJ, you've been talking for 5 minutes, man. What's the point?
Hey, let's cut to the chase, bro.
Nice. Now let's break it down and see what this phrase really means. Cut to the chase means to skip the small talk and get straight to the main point. Perfect when someone's talking too long. Now, let's see some examples. Let's cut to the chase. What's the real issue here? I'll cut to the chase. You got the job. Phrase number 2. One you'll hear everywhere. Hit me up. Now, this one's casual, friendly, and super useful. Let's see how it pops up in the chat between me and CJ. Yo, CJ, we should clap again soon.
For sure, bro. Just hit me up anytime.
Okay, let's check what it really means. Hit me up means to contact someone, usually by phone or message. It's slang, but you can use it with friends, classmates, or even colleagues if the vibe's chill. Now, let's see some examples. Hit me up later when you're free. If you need help, just hit me up. Moving on, phrase 3. No hard feelings. You'll need this one when things get a little awkward. Let's see it in action. As you know, between me and CJ. CJ says,
Yo, Amir, sorry I roasted you driving last time.
It's cool, CJ. No hard feelings, bro. Exactly. Let's break that down real quick. It means no anger, no emotion left after something happens. You're basically saying, I'm not mad. He forgot to invite me, but no hard feelings. Example number 2. It's all good, man. No hard feelings. Alright, next phrase, one of my favorites. That's on me. Let's jump into the dialogue and see how it sounds. CJ, we missed the upload schedule again.
Yeah, my bad. That's on me, bro.
Nice, short, real, and powerful. Now, what does it mean? It means I take the blame or it's my responsibility. Use it when something's your fault while you're owning it. Now, let's see some examples. Sorry we're late. That's on me. I forgot to call her. That's on me. Next phrase is step up your game. And trust me, this one's all about leveling up. Let's check it out in a quick sense. As you definitely know, it's a dialogue between me and CJ. And CJ says,
Yo, Amir, it didn't inspire, but you could step up your game a bit.
Say less. I'm on it, bro. Good one, CJ. Now, let's see what this means in real English. To step up your game means to improve your skills or effort. You can use it for school, work, or even your YouTube grind. Now, let's see some examples. If you want to win, step up your game. She really stepped up your game this semester. Alright, Grow Street fam, phrase number 6, hang in there. You will hear this when someone's going through a tough time, but needs to keep going. Let's see how it sounds in a quick chat. CJ, editing these videos online is tough, buddy.
I know, bro. Just hang in there. We almost done.
That's the spirit. Okay, let's see what it really means. Hang in there means don't give up or keep going even when it's hard. It's a way to encourage someone. Let's see some examples. Exams are tough, but hang in there. Hang in there, bro. Things will get better. I promise. Phrase number 7, you nailed it. You'll love this one because it's pure positive energy. Let's see it in a quick dialogue.
You and me in that last video hit tankies in the day.
You nailed it, CJ. Nice one. Now, let's break this phrase down. You nailed it. Means you did something perfectly or you got it right. It's great for giving compliments or motivation. Check out some examples. You nailed that presentation, bro. I tried your recipe. You nailed it. Next one, I'm down. Super common, super chill. Let's hear how it rolls in a quick combo.
You and me won't record a challenge tonight.
I'm down, bro. Let's do it. Alright. So, what's it mean exactly? I'm down. Means I agree or I'm in. It's a casual way to say you're up for something. Examples. We're going out tonight. You down? Yeah, I'm down to help with the edit. Phrase 9, take it easy. You've heard this one in movies, songs, everywhere. Let's see it in a short dialogue. Alright, CJ, I'm out for the day.
Cool, bro, take it easy.
Now here's what it really means. It means relax, don't stress, or goodbye in a chill way. Perfect for friendly endings or calming someone down. Examples. Take it easy, man. No rush. See you tomorrow. Take it easy. Alright, last phrase of the day. I got your back. This one's pure loyalty. Grocery style. Let's check how it sounds in a real moment. CJ, you sure we can handle this edit deadline?
Don't worry, bro. I got your back.
CJ. Let's see what that means in real English. I got your back. Means I'll support you. Or I'm here for you if anything goes down. Use it with friends, teammates, or anyone you trust. Examples. No worries, bro. I got your back. Thanks for always having my back, man. That's a wrap for today, fam. If you want to grab all these phrases plus bonus examples, the PDF is waiting in our Telegram channel. Links below. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite phrase, and hit that subscribe button. Because here at Convos English, we don't start English. We own it. Peace out.